María Pedraza is a Spanish actress, dancer, and model. She was born on January 26, 1996 in Madrid, Spain. She is the daughter of Jaime, Lorente, and Álex Gonzalez. Her father is a businessman and her mother is a housewife. She completed her schooling in her hometown and she is graduated from University of Madrid. She has siblings named Celia Pedraza. She gained worldwide recognition for her roles in the Netflix series Money Heist and Elite. Since her quick rise to fame, she has appeared in a growing number of television and film roles along with focusing on her ballet. Her second project as an actress was playing Alison Parker, daughter of the British ambassador to Spain in the popular actress media series Honey Heist. The subsequent purchase of it by Netflix earned the actress both national and international recognition. Her cuteness and charming face attract her viewers, which is why she is becoming very famous. At the beginning of 2018, Pedraza's participation in the second Netflix original Spanish series entitled Elite was announced with fellow Money Heist cast members Miguel Herrera and Jaime Lorente. Elite premiered on October 5 of that same year. After finishing the recording of it, Actress Media confirmed that the actress would be the protagonist of Toy Boy, her new fiction produced by Plano a Plano. Pedraza was discovered through her Instagram account by film director Esteban Crispo, who invited her to attend an audition for the lead role of his debut film Amara, where she obtained the role of Laura. María Pedraza is unmarried yet and she has a relationship with Jaime Menendez. Her second project as an actress was to give life to Alison Parker, daughter of the British ambassador in Spain, in the popular series of actress media La Casa de Papel. The subsequent purchase of the same by Netflix earned the actress both national and international recognition. That same year, she was part of the cast of the web series produced by RTVE for his Place platform If You Were You, playing the role of Alvaro Alonso and Cristina Romero. It is an interactive series in which users voted weekly to decide how the story continued. This gave rise to a telefilm released on December 4, 2017 in La One. By profession, she is an actress, ballerina, model, television presenter. She is the most talented, beautiful, and charming star who is trying to get fame and name at a national and international level.